Ginger can calm nausea in minutes, fight inflammation, boost digestion, and even protect heart health. Most people use ginger the wrong way, and that mistake cancels out many of its benefits. Today, I'll show you what ginger really does inside your body and why doctors and traditional healers have trusted it for thousands of years. So stay with me because the last benefit might surprise you. Ginger is not just a spice, it's one of the most powerful natural remedies known to humans. Used in ancient medicine across Asia and Africa, ginger has now been backed by modern science for its incredible health benefits. Now let's break down exactly how ginger helps your body step by step. 1. Ginger helps digestion and relieves bloating. If you often feel bloated, gassy, or uncomfortable after meals, ginger can help. Ginger stimulates digestive enzymes, helping food move smoothly through your stomach. This reduces bloating, gas, and that heavy feeling after eating. Just a small amount of ginger after meals can make a big difference. 2. Ginger reduces nausea and vomiting. This is ginger's most powerful benefits. Ginger is famous for relieving nausea, whether it's from motion sickness, morning sickness, or stomach upset. It works by calming the stomach and improving stomach emptying. That's why even hospitals recommend ginger in some cases. 3. Ginger fights inflammation and pain. Chronic inflammation is linked to joint pain, arthritis, and many long-term diseases. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has strong anti-inflammatory effects. This means ginger may help reduce joint pain, muscle soreness, and stiffness, especially when used regularly. 4. Ginger strengthens the immune system. Ginger has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. It helps your body fight infections and may shorten the duration of colds and flu. That's why ginger tea is often the go-to remedy when you feel sick or weak. 5. Ginger supports heart health. Ginger may help improve blood circulation, lower bad cholesterol, and reduce blood clot formation. Adding ginger to your diet regularly can be a small step towards long-term heart protection. 6. Ginger helps control blood sugar. Some studies suggest ginger may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This makes it especially helpful for people trying to manage blood sugar naturally. However, ginger works best as part of a healthy lifestyle, not as a replacement of medical care. 7. Ginger may help support brain health. Ginger's antioxidants help protect brain cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. This may support memory, focus, and overall brain function as you age. A healthy brain starts with reducing inflammation, and ginger helps with that. How to use ginger the right way? You can enjoy ginger in many simple ways, like fresh ginger tea, added to smoothies, cooked in meals, or even mixed with warm water and lemon. The key is moderation. A little goes a long way. Important warning: too much ginger can cause heartburn or stomach irritation for some people. If you are pregnant, on medication, or have a medical condition, always talk to a healthcare professional before using ginger regularly. Ginger may look small, but its benefits are powerful. From digestion to immunity, pain relief to heart health, this simple root can truly support your body if used correctly. So next time you see ginger in your kitchen, remember, it's not just food, it's natural medicine. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Comment below, how do you use ginger in your daily life? Thanks for watching. Bye.